the last name better all the times we roll around the city where they call me town hero. No, the whip is automatic and it's black as Don Cheeto. Yeah, we can start from ground zero. I don't know if it's me talking or the crown and Casamigo. All I know, we never talking how we feel, cause our ego.
I appreciate that. Love, brother. You being here is good enough for me right now. Do you want to go Lapras? Do you want to go Lapras? Or you want to go deeper? Like a deeper Zapdos? Is that Lapras? Okay, let me see if the one below it is a Lapras. Oh my god, it's upside down. It is upside down. You want that pack, right? Oh my gosh. What? What? Oh. And it's a Zapdos! I called it! Jeez! What in the world? How? Jeez! Let's go, baby! Alright, now are we pulling the Dragonite right here? That's the question. Did we speak that into existence somehow too? How did that just happen? You guys saw me rip this box.
You know what's up.
Let's get in the mood right now of loving, y'all. Right there, y'all. Please, this is a true brother to me right here. Alright, let's go. It's time. What time is it? It's Yama time. It's Card Foz time, baby.
It's sad goodbye. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Oh, it's easy to pretend. I know you're not.
Alright. Oh, did you want to rip it? I didn't even ask. Idiot. Okay. If not, damn yes, brother, love you. I'm so sorry. Alright, here we go, baby. Good luck. Oyster. Mr. Fiji. Almastar. Come on, baby. Zubat. Oh, come on. Slowpoke. Shelter. Gambler. Krabby. Come on, baby. Kabuto. Alright, I think this is it. Geodude. 50. Here we go. Oh, non-holo Raichu first edition. Foz, don't you worry. I got a little non-holo insurance for you, brother. Don't you worry.